the telegraph operator who predicted a robbery. In 1879 Arizona, a quick-thinking telegraph operator named Jack Hollow noticed something strange. His line was picking up weird interference short, flashing signals that looked like letters. He quickly wrote them down and decoded the message. "They are coming for the train." Sure enough, about an hour later, a notorious gang arrived, ready to pull off a heist on a cargo train. The local sheriff, armed with the operator's tip, set up an ambush and managed to capture the crooks before a single shot was fired. Locals later joked it was the first text message warning in frontier history.